Welcome, readers. Today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. We're going to be discussing text structure today, mainly focusing on problem and solution. But before we get started, let's look over the materials you are going to need. For this lesson, you will need a pencil, a highlighter, and your My Book. If you don't have these supplies, go ahead and pause the lesson to collect them, then come back and press play. Okay, good to have you back. Now that you have all the materials you need, I want to tell you our objectives for this lesson. I will review text structure and its importance in a text. We will recognize the reasons an author uses the problem and solution text structure, and then you will analyze the text structure of Parrots over Puerto Rico. Transition words and phrases provide clues to the structure of a text. Recognizing text structures helps readers understand how ideas and events are connected. Take a look at the problem solution structure listed on this text structure anchor chart. In an informational text, an author might use problem and solution structure to tell about a problem and explain how to solve it. Identifying a text structure can help you see how ideas and details are related and thus help you better understand the information in the text. Some transitional words that are used for problem and solution text structure that are clues that an author may be using problem and solution text structure are problem, solution, in light of, propose, suggest. Today you will practice identifying problem solution text structure as you read Parrots over Puerto Rico. Take some time to turn to page 361 and then reread page 361. Pay close attention and analyze the text structure. Think about what you know about text structure so far while you're reading the page. Pause now to do this. Okay, now that you're back, let me ask you something. How does the author organize ideas in this part of the text? How can you tell? Well, think about that. The author has organized these ideas in the text as a problem and solution text structure. If you answered problem and solution, you're correct. Give yourself a pat on the back. The reason we can tell this is because the author describes the problems of the parrots and the boricuas and then explains the solutions that they tried. This is how we know that the author used problem solution text structure. I want to ask you a few more questions. What problem do the parrots face and how do they solve it? And also, what problem do the boricuas face and what is their solution? Take some time now to pause the video, copy down these questions, and answer these questions in your My Notes section of page 361. It may help to underline where you find the problems in the text and also highlight where you find the solutions. Okay, now that you've answered those questions, did you notice that there was a solution for each problem within the text? Did you see how the author used this text structure to carry the story along and express the important points of the story that they wanted to convey? I want you to remember, readers, authors will use one or more types of text structure for their text depending on their purpose and the information they're presenting. The problem and solution text structure is used by an author to show a problem and how it's solved. Now it's your turn. You're going to complete the Know It, Show It, page 111 Google form linked within the framework. Be sure to click Submit at the end so that you turn turn in your form properly to your teacher. If you don't click submit, then it will not turn into your teacher. Thank you for joining me today and have a great day.